KavionNeal, and today we are solving a Rubik's Cube. This is my Rubik's Cube. Okay, guys?
Alright, now I got the color.
This is my Rubik's Cube. Today, we're going to be showing you 10 moves. Today, you got to try, and you're supposed to do for 40 minutes. 80 minutes, you can do the cube and put it all back together. So, you're supposed to do it like the
you got to be all the time.
Like the easy way. So, here we go. So today, you doing this, and then Papa, you got my drink?
Right down the side of you, son.
Oh. There we go, my drink.
Put that bottle of water in the refrigerator. It's still kind of cold though.
Why
are you walking so hard?
Is that at that little house?
Substation.
Yeah, I thought so.
Okay.
Oh, y'all came by to listen to me?
There we go.
She's coming by. Her mama in the hospital. She's coming by and get one.
Well, today we just gonna do some cubes.
Someone tells Jenny just come get chicken ball. The white woman. That's all she got, chicken ball. Tell her. Boy. Let me hold my phone now.
Hold on, guys.